Hello everyone. I'm NJ and I want to teach you everything I know about InDesign in this channel. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, I suggest you watch them first. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. This will motivate me to produce more educational videos for you. Let's get started. Welcome back. Hopefully you are enjoying your exercises and you are ready for some more fun stuff to learn. In continuation of the previous lesson, I wanted to talk about working with images. But before that, in this lesson, I want to explain about alignment. Everything you see on the page, pay attention, everything. It can be a text, or a text box, a shape, or a picture. We can align any object you see on the page. As you can see on this page, we have a text that if we select it with the type tool, we can change the alignment of the text both through the toolbar at the top of the page and or the properties panel. For example, now the alignment is center and I change it to the left alignment. Well, this is text alignment. Now let's go to the object alignment. For example, I have 3 images and 3 shapes on the page. Well, first by holding the Shift key, I select the images and go to this part of the Properties panel, Align section. Okay, here we have different sections that I will introduce you one by one. Align left edges, align horizontal centers, align right edges, align top edges, align vertical centers, and align bottom edges. But the important thing here and in this section is that we specify under what conditions the alignment should be done. I click on it and this window opens. Align to selection, align to key object, align to margins, align to page, or align to a spread. What I want now is align to selection, so I set it to this mode. I also selected the pictures before. Let's try one or two of these alignment modes. First, the alignment from the left is placed in this state. Now center alignment will be like this, and at the end the right alignment. We can do the same thing with the shapes on the page, even a combination of these. For example, I select a shape and an image and align them to center. Okay, try the others yourself with pictures and shapes. Now let's go to this part, distribute objects. In this section, we can adjust the distance of the objects from different directions. I will explain these modes one by one. Distribute top edges, distribute vertical centers, distribute bottom edges, distribute left edges, distribute horizontal centers, and distribute right edges. Let's try some of these modes. For example, I choose these 3 shapes. As we can see, these changes occur when I use distribute top edges. This means that the distance between 3 shapes is aligned and adjusted based on their upper side. You can try the other modes yourself in different conditions, but there is another section below which I will explain to you in the advanced section. Okay, that's enough for this session. Try to put different images, text, and objects on the page and practice all these modes. And open as always, if you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments. I will answer them all. Don't forget to like the video and send it to your friends. Be creative and energetic.